Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Direction.
President Trump is scheduled to speak in about an hour and a half. 3:55 Central Time. 3:55 Central Time. I already spoke once earlier today. He's trying to talk up the tariffs.
Yeah. I'm going to knock it up.
We'll see how it unfolds into the rest of this trade. Yes.
Hard, but
54.54.
have to do it.
Yep. Hell yeah, Dolby.
Looking for shorts.
S&Ps.
Should I go in with like my personal account to give you some liquidity, Dolby?
So we start at 29.
Yeah, why not?
After?
That sounds great.
We're going to put a buy order right here.
Nothing on the tilt right now. Update on the Delta. 20 plus 21,000 ES plus 160.
Right.
In
and
Nasdaq,
we're going to put
21,000.
Order filled.
Positive.
300
what?
here.
Delta is positive.
Oh, am I reading that right?
Save.
Yeah.
And take profit.
They might try to hold this thing. They might try to hold this. Yeah. When they start
25.
We've seen this before. On the hour incoming. Yes, divergent. They might get
order filled.
All right, let's.
Oh crap.
Yes.
Which one did it do?
Plus 21,000. Yep.
Okay.
Let's trade 50.
It might reverse.
Okay, the other one.
Sort of.
So
Yeah,
I'm going to show you how eventually
So,
I'm going to be trading.
You never know, right?
Yes.
we are getting a consolidation
Right
above
here.
the
I'm gonna
lowest
put
candle.
buy.
Mhm.
Go
So
short.
that could indicate this is like I think this is
15,928.
Sonny Kevin's
928.
pin bar, I
Hold on,
believe.
hold on.
A
928.
long
Using
candle
my
and then a
entry as
consolidation.
resistance.
Yeah, sometimes we've
915.
Oh, it's
seen.
also called that as well. It's also called that as well.
Yeah, that's when you know you're in a bad trade. Get out.
Oh man.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
But what I
If
do
he
now,
doesn't get it,
is
then I
something that I
just
try
put
to
it down
incorporate
here.
is if I get in a
Order
position
filled.
within 5
Then
minutes,
I
and that's what
cancel
box is
that
for,
one.
within 5 minutes, I'm not in profit. I'm going to look to get out at break even.
We're gonna get
Okay.
this to 1,000. Watch. Oh my God.
Rumble
So much
machine.
is
Oh my
over.
God.
So much
Antonio,
long
Antonio,
delta
Antonio,
waiting
you
to
have
get down
to do
squeeze.
this. You
Yeah,
have
if
to do this.
man. But if they keep reloading, this delta doesn't. It's gonna be interesting. All right, so we got heavy long delta in the S&Ps as we continue to push lower here. And plus 21,000 on the delta. Last trade 54.50. This is gonna be interesting here.
Yeah, it is.
Nothing on the
This is gonna
tilt.
be a crazy power hour. It's gonna
Hell
be
yeah.
nutty. It is gonna be nutty.
Well, it's all because of the introduction. You know that got the market moving.
You woke me up. I'll tell you that. Here we go. Start to see some more
That's
selling.
exactly right.
Dow.
Sorry for your ears if you were not prepared. I mean, no one was prepared for that. So sorry for your ears.
No. Did you write it on yourself? 'Cause that's hard to do.
Well,
That's
you know,
ambidextrous.
I actually got it tattooed, and because I haven't gotten a payout yet, I had to get it from the cheapest bidder, and it was just some dude in the alleyway.
Love it.
Yeah.
It is what it is, you know.
What do they call it? Like
But yeah, I
static
did.
code
I
or
know. Isn't that
something?
pretty impressive?
Let's do that one more time.
Order
Let's
filled.
do this one,
Yeah, just
one more time. Look at that.
The lighting's not great in here, right? Let's say that the lighting is
Okay.
not great in here. You can't see. It's fine. Anyone that works out knows that the lighting is oftentimes
lighting has to be
critical.
Has to be perfect.
Yeah.
Has to be perfect.
Get them angles for sure.
All about those
54,
angles, that's right.
55.
Order
The
filled.
lighting is terrifying my muscle definition. Don't
Look
like
at
it.
Yes, he is bringing it hot right now. I love it. Come, what are we gonna do on this after hours? Make sure you
Did
stay
you have a
tuned for
Celsius
at the
before you
buzz.
got on?
Slow
Celsius
that?
or something? Did you have a Celsius
No,
before you got on?
No, I was ready an hour ago. I got the time zones wrong, and I usually fast going up till like noon, which gives me good energy levels. So
Yeah.
that's what we're on.
Trying to hold this.
Yeah, this is. I mean, this is literally just like wicking the entry that I had.
Kind of a Dorito.
I'm just gonna-
Actually.
Order filled.
Very Dorito.
Order filled.
Perfect.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
30 seconds.
Order
1 minute,
filled.
1 minute.
Order filled.
What is it?
Any
We got-
orders
Lower
on
lows, lower highs, higher lows.
any orders on the ladder? 54.10 way down there. It's actually not the way. It's 600 lot to the downside. ES ladder. Take a look at the NQ. Anything showing up? Very thin. Very thin.
So that was probably flat. Yeah. So I got out break even on that.
Okay.
It's just not doing what I wanted to do. My 5-minute threshold was up. It was up 2 minutes ago, and I was still in the trade. So you can see how well I follow my rules. But it's the trading account, all right. The practice account.
Oh man.
But I do want to say one thing, or a few things that help. I took notes here.
Awesome.
A few things that helped me. One thing you'll notice is over here, it will show your open profit and loss. I don't like that.
Order
I'm trying
filled.
to not look at my profit and loss. So I have a little sticky note here that I just put over it, so I can't see it. And this is the whole thing going back to Riker. Less than I want, more than I need. Right? If I'm watching the
Order
number
filled.
and it's like, and it's something I want more, I'm going to hesitate from closing my trade when I know I should, right? And that always comes and bites me in the butt. So I avoid that. This helps. The Post-it note helps. But then I also, what helps is instead of having some arbitrary
Order filled.
take profit or stop loss, like based on a fixed amount, now what I do is I just put it 2 points below the candle on the Nasdaq, and I'll look for the start of these rallies. I call these order blocks. I don't know if that's the proper term for them, but basically what I figure with them is if this is where the
Order
leg of the
filled.
downward rally started, this is where the sellers jumped in. This is where they're going to look to defend their position.
Order
So
filled.
somewhere in this box is where I want to take profit. At least
Order
start
filled.
taking partials. And if we go and look at some of these
Order
examples, you'll
filled.
see
Order
how
filled.
well
Order filled.
it works.
Order
on the
filled.
30-second time frame, which is over here, it works really well for like fine tuning.
Order filled.
Now?
Where are
Oh,
you?
I'm on
are
the
you?
MES. That's why I don't have
Oh,
anything.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Here we go.
Order
So you
filled.
can see here.
Order
this was a trade I
filled.
took this morning.
Order filled.
It touched
Order
this take
filled.
profit area.
Order
started
filled.
this leg down. You know,
Order
if you
filled.
see price going against you, that always sucks. So I like to take profit where right before it's likely to start moving against you.
Order
You at
filled.
least have something
Order
to show for
filled.
it.
Order
You can
filled.
see another one over here. This is the 1 minute chart.
Order filled.
Just touched
Order
the midpoint
filled.
of the order block, and you know,
Order
down.
filled.
I like
Got up to
midpoints.
this one.
Midpoints are pretty
Push down.
interesting.
Yeah. Yep. That for me has helped me a lot because now, one, I can't see how much money it is. Two, it's
Let
not
me know.
some
Order
arbitrary
filled.
number. It's
Order
market
filled.
structure.
Order filled. Order filled.
And
Order
Order
filled. Rejected.
They're holding on.
Order
Hold
filled.
on right now. Hogue, let me know. Hogue's about to hit me with an Delta update.
chat, would you get mad if I went short? Or is that okay? Or is someone going to yell because we're at the lows and it's stupid to short the lows? I don't know.
Order
This is
filled.
the bear
Thank you.
flag on the 1 minute.
Oh yeah, it is.
It is heavy candles right now. These 1 minute candles are long and strong.
Order
so-
filled.
Delta's
And if we
increasing
look-
out.
If we look
Right.
at all the green candles that came in, they have more volume than the red candle, but the market's not moving up. So I do like this. This is telling me personally, not personally me, the market's not telling me anything, but I'm reading this as, even though we have all this buying pressure, you got to be clear because chat's going to be like, they're going to be like, wait,
Yeah.
how is the market telling them?
Order
They're
filled.
not
Order
telling me,
filled.
that's how I infer it.
Order filled.
The secret.
I just when I see green volume coming in, but the market's not moving, I presume it's because sellers are just up here defending their position, trying to make a move down.
Here we go.
These
NQ's
green candles have been
NQ
long.
NQ got.
Really
Well, we're
good.
seeing the Delta.
Volume.
We're seeing.
Volume is good on these green candles. I like the 1 minute chart up right now, and I mean that's long and strong. I mean, there's a couple of them. All the green candles are a little bit bigger than those reds.
They are, but the market's not moving in their favor, so that's
What does that tell you?
that's interesting.
What's it to go? What's it to go? It's not going yet, but then again, we're not going lower either. We got on the hour incoming here in 5 seconds. Let's see what happens. 2 seconds. Injection of liquidity.
It's so tempting. To
Oh,
put in
you
a
know
buy
that
order.
trade
Ooh,
MT
44.
took on? I think it was Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We do.
So actually, let me see here.
How about that?
That was
one,
Monday, or
Jesse?
was it Monday or Tuesday?
I think it was April Fool's. So what is that?
I think
April
you're right.
1st.
I think you're right.
Huh.
Man, I had such a tough start to the week on Tuesday. I missed picking the bottom of the market with my setup. Missed it. I put the join bid, and I just did not get filled. And
Order
and
filled.
then my strategy got in a short. It did not liquidate me at my target. So I was feeling the jokes on me, right?
I mean,
But let's see if I can find
Market makes a
this.
fool out of everybody. All right, I got a
I
level
know.
at 54.43
lows.
that we're getting close to. This might be bounceable. It's the scariest trade for sure. It's going long, but it's
Yeah, what's your
there's
heart rate?
volume coming in.
Because
Let
that
me
determines if you
check.
should enter or not.
No, maybe like
we go,
80,
new lows.
82. I actually have a heart rate monitor.
You should just wear that
no.
at all times.
Just keep holding it. Yeah, they just every time they
Or on my
sell,
forehead. In my new third eye.
bidders are trying to hold this. Buyers are trying to hold it. Gold is
We
selling.
can get like a
off
live
little.
feed posted on the
Order
on the
filled.
program.
I think my heart rate runs too high. All right, are we gonna get new lows? Look at this 54.43. If I go to the weekly chart, there was a little bit of maybe resistance to become support. There's a couple little wicks. There's one from beginning of March. and
The number I
then
have up
April
here.
1st.
Check this out.
Might be
I
some.
took a
Is that what we're
short
going? 783.
at
Where is 783? Isn't it
44475.
por aquí?
That was a high volume red candle that broke. That's trying to break out. Kind of. A little shy of that wick to the left.
3. We came close. 7, 8,
Okay.
7.
Not making it easy.
I don't have any levels though, so I don't know where the
3.
target would be.
Lower.
So
New lows.
We already
New
passed
lows.
it.
Here we go. Selling off.
Oh,
Oh,
here's
how we
it.
looking? They're increasing their delta, positive delta. Damn, this is
Right there.
interesting.
So maybe around like
There you go. You see it right there.
You just touched
Oh.
540s. I'm buying
See
one.
this low?
Oh, now you're buying? Oh
Yeah,
my
for long
goodness.
one.
That does look pretty good now.
Oh, they might hold it. We've seen this before. You just keep reloading on these offers. Lifting
We're
offers,
gonna
I should
Last
say.
time we got
We're gonna bid 42s as well. We're gonna see if we can get this to turn.
Gone. It's gone.
Tight stop here though. Very, very tight stop.
You see, I know. Yeah, I know.
There it is. 46, 5,
What hope that?
40.
We're just watching
600.
it, thinking that a squeeze
I
could
gotta
be
take
on, but
advantage
we've
of
kind of
this.
seen this sometimes. They just keep reloading. The positive delta keeps growing, and we see like the sellers come in and just can't get the follow through. And we see essentially the longs loading up. You know,
We're
who's
long
got
too.
more?
Yeah, we got divergence here too.
Oh yeah,
On
what
both
price,
time
Dolby?
frames I got.
54.44 3/4. Our stop is at just below 54.40. So let's see. I mean, this is a very speculative trade here. I mean, nice edge. Very easy to get stopped out. We got to make some higher highs. Probably get reamed by chat. Oh, we have some weekly levels here that might end up supporting. So I'm okay if we're trying to ride some
Order
weekly
filled.
support or resistance. We'll get better price action.
We
We gotta
got
get
paper on
above 50s would be nice. Above 50s would be great. But this is a big level.
Hold it. Yeah. Yep.
So what levels or should we find for targets? What do we got? Daily, nothing. 4 hour could be interesting. We just need to not get stopped.
Come on, Delta.
Not looking too hot.
Yeah. Hold. Come on, Delta.
Oh, man.
Order filled.
Hold. Delta, hold.
Come on, Delta.
Order filled.
Keep growing.
Might be
VIX almost
getting a
up to
higher low. Might be
Come
getting
on.
a higher low. Let's see if we can
Come on,
get
Delta.
one at like.
We got MOC in 15 minutes. Holy moly.
These sellers are just.
Order filled.
Oh, and by the way, we got
Killing this trade
non-farm. We got non-farm and Powell tomorrow. As if this week couldn't have been crazy enough. Non-farm and Powell tomorrow.
Jeez.
What's Powell doing tomorrow?
Speaking.
Whatever he wants.
I'm sure he's got
Oh,
a
it's
lot
the
to-
beginning of the month. Oh wait, no, tomorrow's Friday. What is going on? Huh. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Hold this thing. 54,
We have a
42,
hold.
43s now. Tilt not
Delta's in our
showing.
favor.
We're holding on.
Order filled.
There's a lot going on here in the markets.
We're fighting a good fight.
Oh, come on. Get back up.
You might test the one.
If I get
Seen some
stopped
selling.
by a tick here. All right, we're out.
Yeah.
We're out. Let's see what happens to this market here.
New lows Nasdaq. New lows S&Ps.
We get stopped at
Order filled.
54.39 and a quarter.
Sells just
I
don't.
keep
Order
doing
filled.
that shit, man.
Shorts are different. They just don't puke.
It is different.
It doesn't
It
just
is.
puke.
ES
It's
just
a
doesn't really
grind.
puke.
It's a grind lower.
ES
It's what's the VIX at? How are we looking on the VIX? Damn. Delta fighting the good fight. They keep increasing it. Plus 22,700. That's why you're seeing this.
At this
Love
point,
this
I
to go
just
lower
want this
right
thing to go to zero. I just want this to go to zero. Otherwise, we got
We're in a lot of
stopped
trouble.
by a tick.
Go to zero.
Otherwise, we got
Word.
stopped by a tick. Yeah.
We're not
Let's
gonna
go
be
to
on-
all-time lows.
We're not
Hopefully,
gonna
that's
have
fine.
We're not gonna have a job tomorrow if we go to zero, Dolby. We're in trouble.
Okay, let's go to
One.
one.
Oh, we're just.
This is a great
I just don't
example
want to get
of
NP.
why when
I don't want to get NP.
I know.
That's all I
when
care
you're
about
nearing
right now. I don't wanna
retirement,
get
do
NP.
not keep your retirement in the stock market. Please do not do that.
Wait, millennials
This is
are
a great
retiring?
example
What are
why.
you talking
Because
about?
now you can't retire.
Millennials are. I don't know if
Ever?
millennials can retire. Ever?
Well, I mean,
no, just
Half your portfolio is probably gone, or 20% or something like that. I mean, it's not optimal.
Definitely not. Just grinding
Definitely
lower.
not optimal.
this is just different. This is definitely different. The
Isn't
sell-off.
Delta supposed to be
Quarterly.
good though? I mean, tilt is like long, 55% longs in tilt.
What do they say? They say if it's positive delta, but you're selling off, then it's I don't know. I was hoping you guys would fill me in there because I always get confused. It's when it's like I used to use the order flow where you'd see like the bid and ask on the within the candle, and even that would confuse me because it's like we have a negative delta on this candle, but we're up.
Cumulative delta. We're looking at cumulative delta from the day, and
cumulative delta, yeah,
it keeps growing positive, which means market orders are coming in. They're lifting the offer, and they continue to do that. It keeps growing, even though we slightly lower. As that delta grows, you see these little upticks, right? 54.44s trade.
So is delta only measuring market orders and not limit orders?
Market.
Okay, so more limit orders are coming in, more limit orders are coming in than our aggressive buyers.
Order
I
filled.
guess would be a way to maybe interpret that.
I interpret it as the buyers are more aggressive they're being aggressive right here.
Buyers
they're
are more
being aggressive right here.
aggressive.
Yeah, but they're feeling the heat right now. So it's big tug of war. If the market gets smoked to the downside, all those aggressive longs are going to have to puke, and will accelerate the move to the downside. Essentially, is what we're looking for.
Okay.
Oh shit. GG.
As of right now, we are getting MP'd. So let's keep on going lower. so I can survive.
Explain that well, Hogue.
Stop is always the entry. Not wrong.
GG.
Yeah, but then where do you put your stop? Because then you have stop inception. Because if your entry is where your stop should be, then theoretically you're going to keep moving your entry. Yeah.
It's just turtles all the way down, dude. Just turtles all the way down. Oh, Andre, I might need to go outside for a little bit and go back after that one.
I don't know.
No stop loss. Yeah, let the risk manager take care of it. All right, our initial long was 47s, and then our ad was at 42s, and we got stopped at 39 and a quarter, which was the dead ass low.
Wow.
So let's see how high this rallies.
Let's do this. Let's not play around no more.
You're gonna hold this.
JT, you're so funny.
Let's just place this down here.
Oh, Dolby, for your break even struggles.
7.
I feel that, first of all.
783.
But my suggestion,
instead
of going to break even, well, you know how you're always like, oh, I shouldn't go to break even, but you do.
We didn't on this one. This was not break even.
No, I know.
Yeah,
but normally you do, right? Yeah, normally you do.
I try not to. It's a bad habit.
You try not to. I got you. What I was going to say, every time you feel like doing that, try moving your stop only like 50% closer. Because I feel like oftentimes when you do get stopped out at break even, it literally just like almost wicks you out and then goes back in your favor. Whereas if you move it maybe 50%, you have less risk.
You had $125 risk.
Yeah, I don't think the market.
We play it with 6 contracts.
That's kind of like my theory.
They really don't.
So anytime you go to break even, the market's like, ooh, you are not accepting risk on this one. You got to at least move it a little bit. Just a little bit.
See up here how
this is incredible what's happening right here. I mean, we are at the damn near lows, and it's counter trend, right?
No, it's 4 to 4.
Delta keeps growing,
44 to 8.
MOC's gonna be wild. I'm thinking buy.
We are getting our inverse head and shoulder pattern though, so it's consolidation under, then consolidation over, consolidation breakout question mark. So that's what this 30-second pattern is basically.
And this is kind of retesting the low from earlier today.
Yeah,
retesting that.
It actually would have been a better setup. Yeah,
fighting the good fight.
Oh,
shout out to the longs down here. Now it keeps growing. 24,300. 24,300. The thing is, if we can't go higher, we see the countdown clock, right?
Yep.
They have to get out, right, Hogue? They've got to liquidate. And to liquidate, they have to sell. It's not going, I mean, see, MOC is going to be a doozy. MOC in 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Wild. Oh my goodness.
Any headlines? Nothing. Make sure to stay tuned in for At the Buzzer. Amazing job at the buzzer. Also, slow markets. London Open, like everything around the clock. We are going to be here Who knows what's gonna happen next? On these buyers are strong. They
Higher
are
highs, higher
now.
lows. They are higher
Right.
lows. Very thorough. Very thorough higher lows. 42s. Yeah, that would have been a good support becomes resistance short too. If you like shorts, got good price action right off the rip.
Man, come on, JT.
Maybe
Be
probably
nice,
could've
man. We're all in
waited.
this together.
We're about to
We're
get.
all in this together. Come on.
We're
They
about
locked
to
in.
They
get.
making fun of me again.
No,
making fun of me.
just enjoy. Just want positive,
Gonna-
just positive
It's
vibes.
annoying.
This
Gonna
is
tell
not-
my
this-
wife.
This ain't
Yeah.
easy. This ain't easy.
Don't tell
We're
my
all
wife.
together.
Don't give her any ideas.
I got over it in like 4 days last time, so it wasn't that bad.
We're about to
Huge.
get stopped out.
I don't even look at chat
Year.
because I'm part of chat, and I'm like,
Is that what I
you're
sound
just
like?
better off.
No,
Order
it's-
filled.
Markets are tough.
We got stopped
Not
out.
easy right now. We understand.
The markets
We
aren't
understand
tough.
frustration.
Chat is
We
tough. Let's put it that
Understand
way.
the frustration, for sure. We're here
$106.
for you.
But
It's
we
not
had the
easy
good
right now,
idea.
but it's volatile. We're learning a lot. These markets are thrilling as hell. I
So
mean,
let's look
we've
again.
seen something like
This
this.
became really hard to get by.
Delta.
This
All
was
right,
at what time?
buyers are moving.
MOC. What's it gonna be?
Who was that?
What? Did you hear it?
I heard an order
You
filled.
got-
All right, there's mid.
Order filled. Yeah, my
Okay.
practice short got stopped out.
Nice.
54.51. No,
Trey. I feel like talking to myself.
No, that's what we do. That's what we do, man.
I feel like talking to myself. We got stopped at 39 and a quarter. We are
Show
now
some
trading
love.
Was that
54.
the absolute low on the ES? Because on the MES the
Yes,
low
it
was
was.
38.50. Wow.
We ain't out of the woods yet.
No, but we'd been in a very good position.
Yeah.
We did not get stopped out by a tick. We have a very good spot. But maybe longs are the play. I mean, we can always re-up again. We like
Yeah,
longs.
this is like
Our
a
options.
failed downside breakout.
Was it now?
And shorts are a possibility too.
They fought the
54.60.
good
I mean, there's some
fought
good
the
levels
good fight.
there.
Amazing. All right, 54.55 in the ES Nasdaq, still beneath that, down 5%. At last trade, 18,758. Gold not really moving too much. Last trade over there, 31.25. Stay locked in, Dolby. You got this. We got this. We got the last 10 minutes. We got
We're doing
MOC
great.
in 5
We're doing
minutes. It's going to be a
Because of
grow
the
20, now Delta
size of
26,000.
the body, I like it as a long. I'm
Now,
gonna
Hope,
try it as a
let's,
long.
see this.
Definitely.
I'm back in
Long.
here. I'm being
So we are right here.
just having fun.
Order
with it. I'm
filled.
Oh,
54.54.
Order filled. Order
Right in a
filled.
horrible
Where you-
spot.
Order filled.
where you
Just-
put
just-
it in?
Just throwing trades on at this point.
Oh,
All right,
This
well,
is not
we gotta
how
take
I
this
actually
serious.
trade.
Hey, no, Jesse, we
Let's
gotta
be
take this
clear.
serious.
Order
We gotta
filled.
take this serious. Like, I know
Well,
it's
I
practice
am
now.
to some degree, right? This isn't
Okay.
my setup, but if I'm just eyeballing it, looking at price action, what I'm seeing here is we had divergence going into this low. We had some volume of buyers coming in. Again, this isn't my setup, but if I were to just kind of eyeball it, this is what I'm feeling on a Praxis account.
Wow, what a move here. Look at this sell-off. Wow.
There you go.
What did we run up
I
to?
like
Oh,
that.
54.55. So that was a candle 4-hour low at 9.
Tug of war is amazing. Doesn't look like much, but there's a lot going on right here in the ES. There's a lot
going on. Whole lot going on.
6,000, and the buyers just get smashed right there. Was that a short cover?
God, they're just getting crushed.
See how far they want to take it lower now. 54.44. Low is 54.39.
Low
you were
volume,
long
though.
there. Oh, there you go.
Low
Is it
volume.
low volume? Yeah, it is low volume.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, the green candles were high volume. The sell-off is low volume.
so again, didn't do it.
See, I kind of
Yeah,
like
bounce
low
up.
volume sell-offs because that just shows buyers aren't countering at this point. They're kind of just letting
Mhm.
sellers take control.
I don't know who has control right now.
Ooh, I gotta ask Mo.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
Mo
I
has
love it. That's right. MOC incoming in 3 minutes. Buyers try to give it a
We'll wait
shot
for
there. Delta
MOC.
grew and saw it. Got a little bit rejected there. Jesse, you are long, correct? Or did you get out?
Yeah, I'm still in here.
Okay, cool.
I stopped just
Were you
below
short or-
the long.
Okay.
This is why I have to trade levels. Otherwise, I just get so lost in all this.
Levels are important to keep on.
There we go.
You know, put them on your chart, and you got to trade by them.
Order filled.
Yep.
It's not fun
Definitely
putting
keep
levels
you
on your
centered.
chart, then trading in the middle of them. That's not ideal.
Mm.
You're gonna run stops again. Well, if you go down to 54.28, I did not feel guilty.
26.
bonus. Look, Apple
No.
bonus.
Oof,
well, maybe we're
3,500
bouncing
people
again.
watching all across the globe right now. We got Jesse in the house. We got Dolby Time in the house. Hogs keeps feeding me these deltas. We are talking as well. What is going to happen? Buyers thought they had it. Sellers thought they had it. What's going to happen next? We got MOC in 2 minutes.
This reminds me of The Office, the dinner party episode, where Michael's
Yes, that's
talking about
Michael.
how many vasectomy and reverse vasectomies he's had. He's like, snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap.
That's
And that's what the market's doing, right? Just going back
he
and
watching?
forth.
That's his favorite Office episode. That is his
It
favorite.
is.
Oh, is it? Oh, man. It is such a
Dinner party.
classic.
It's so cringe. It's amazing. All right, 50.
His flat screen TV in his bedroom.
Yep.
Order filled.
MOC in minute and a half.
Yep.
Oh,
Let me
man.
see what happens.
I feel like we're poised to go up on MOC. Again, I don't have my
Jesse,
levels,
wait.
but
Wait,
Got
above
you.
below. We have to do above below. Jesse, above below.
Oh, yeah.
ES.
Yeah, Buffalo.
Order
above or
filled.
Pick
below-
the closing price. You're picking the closing price. Chad is picking above or below the closing price that you.
The closing
for.
price? Okay. We
You're
got 12
guessing the
minutes
closing
left.
price.
Yeah, no. Let's see.
Jack just puts in below. Doesn't even
Already.
count.
Order
Already.
filled.
Whatever it is.
Above or below 54.54.
Okay. 54.
Order filled.
54.
Order filled. Order filled.
Above, below.
54.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was funny, Jack.
Above
Order
below.
rejected.
Yeah.
All right. 45 seconds. Starting to see some sellers.
I just like her voice. I just like when she tells me the order is filled.
Yeah, switch it to Hogue. Have you heard Hogue's voice?
Can
There's
you
a voice
do
pack
that?
in there. Oh yeah, there's a voice pack
No.
for Hogue in there. Oh yes.
Buffalo poll is up. Poll is up. We got MOC here
Order
in 30
filled.
seconds. Just down tick some new lows in the ES. What is this MOC going to bring us? New lows,
Oh,
ES.
new lows.
Wow, are we thinking?
Bro, MOC
squeeze
is
hard?
going to just smash this thing.
Here we go. I got you.
Yeah.
What happens on a MOC?
It's going to go ES,
The market's already
NQ,
down.
YM. Buckle up.
5 seconds.
Yep. Shit, what is it?
I don't know.
It's
I think
mixed.
we're gonna
Mixed.
pop up.
Mixed. Nasdaq 450 million sell side. S&P 700 million buy side. Dow 200
Ooh.
million buy side.
Not
Order
moving as much as
filled.
I thought it would. Looks like a pretty good battle.
It's moving a lot though.
Order
He's
filled.
moving a lot right
Order
now.
filled.
All over the place.
Order filled. Order filled.
And came out
Order filled.
Is mine a little
617
lag?
buy side. That's,
Order filled.
S&Ps. Minus
Order
500
filled.
500 million sell side. Nasdaq
Order filled.
49 million.
Order
Dow.
filled.
That is going to change all over the place. 9 minutes to go.
I mean, usually the MOC candle, like you can clearly see on the chart, like it sticks out.
Yeah, not today.
Not today. That's very just average candle size.
Kind of uneventful. Yeah, this is uneventful for sure. I mean,
Are
Is
the
that
market
above
maybe
those
waiting for tomorrow then?
54.40s.
'Cause you
As
said
long
we
as
have
my
some
win.
news tomorrow. Maybe they're kind of just waiting for that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, non-farm. There's some people, some traders out there I know that like their entire trading life is focused around the non-farm payroll. They
Oh,
just
yeah.
Oh sure.
they'll trade a sweep of the overnight
Order
high or
filled.
low and then target the high or low data wick of
That was
that
the number.
release, and that's all they do.
S&P's buy side growing up to 700 million now. Longs are going to win the fight, aren't they? Nasdaq staying around. Buy side growing. S&P's getting
Order
closing in on
filled.
1 billion buy side.
Order
Close.
filled.
Wow.
Order filled.
Now it's 800.
Order filled.
It's not
800
even
million.
Order
moving the
filled.
Market that much though.
Not.
What does
Order
that mean?
filled.
No.
Sellers are just
Order
still coming in
filled.
here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Above below. 54,
Order
54,
filled.
65%
Order
sales
filled.
Below. We got here. Look at the countdown clock. It's in 8 minutes. 8 minutes into this close. All right, buy side pairing back now. S&Ps. This.
Would have been a nice short at 42s.
Wild. Still next. Oh, big pop in the S&P buy side now. Getting close to $1 billion. Nasdaq just turned buy side. Dow just turned buy side.
Longs. It's so hard to go
Longs are gonna win.
But that is the hard trade though.
Over $1 billion buy side. S&Ps now. Everything went buy side. Longs are gonna win.
Let's see. You like
Order filled.
It just looks like the Longs are gonna try to hold this thing. They're fighting a good fight. I'll give them credit. Taking pain all day.
So this is kind of funny because we were talking about this on the lower time frame about finding the beginning of a
Order
of a rally
filled.
point, right? And if you go all the way back to August, there was a rally for almost 2 weeks here. Maybe that is 2 weeks, from August 8th, August 19th. And this is literally right down to the midpoint of the original, the
nice.
starting point of that rally. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, I like the midpoints are interesting.
Order filled.
Yeah, really is, because no matter what time frame, or really whether it's a leg or individual candle or a few days, those midpoints are just so strong.
Longs are hanging out.
Order
I like
filled.
ranges. You can find like a midpoint in a range. I think those are be pretty useful for targets.
Ooh. All right, now we just went sell side.
Okay.
We went sell side.
Nasdaq went sell side. It's all right. You're on.
Order filled.
You're on.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Now this
Right,
it's
Order
all
filled.
We just ride a short into close, Dre. Seems it's so expensive. It's not expensive, but it's more expensive than it was at 54.42. Too much thinking.
We've been talking to ourselves all day.
I know.
Jesse bringing the heat
really,
as
truly
well.
is.
30 seconds till.
Great energy from the group.
Absolutely.
We had Cove Trader. He was awesome.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah, he was good. I like his style.
Yeah, great energy from Cove. Yeah, he's down to clown.
Trump speaking.
Anytime.
After
What is his
make
name?
sure you guys-
Cove, like COVE?
Yeah, Cove Trader. He's a YouTuber.
Okay, I think I've seen him in the chat a few times. Then.
The nightmare right here.
Yeah. He had a good little following. 255.
We'll see how we.
Oof, this ladder.
Did that in one day,
Just lock this out. There's no need.
We did that in
What we got here?
5 trades.
Oh, it's going sell side. All right, heavy sell side now. Nasdaq billion sell side. S&P's about to go sell side as well. Longs are not. Oh man, this is wild. All right, S&P's just went sell side.
Wow.
Now it went buy side.
54.26.
All over the place. All right, let's. All right, we want to do hashtag power hour. We got the.
Oh yeah, let's
4
do it.
minutes.
Let's end on
4
a
minutes.
happy note.
Okay,
Happy
cool.
note.
Ready, let's
All
do
right,
it.
let's end on that happy note. Make sure everyone gets their happy ending. Here
Easy, buddy.
are your power hours. From Fibonacci, next payout, same account. You can see at the bottom, he submitted something on March 25th. We actually showcased it in Power Hour. And it was the email saying you're doing great trading. It helped him stay consistent and build cooperation with TopStep. And here he is coming back, that same account, getting his payout, $2,500. So good work there. Keep it up. Keep jabbing away.
Are you just showing that because I haven't gotten a payout? Did you wait?
Yeah,
did you wait
I
for that for the signal?
I did it on purpose.
Got my eyes on you.
From one of our TopStep VIP traders, my second VIP account payout. Never give up. Thanks to Michael Patak and TopStep TV. Keep on going. We'd love to see you on TV one day. So hey, let us know who your coach is. From Lucky Me, over traded today, but I'll take green. So at least you had the wherewithal to know you over traded, but $997 is not a bad thing to walk away with. Our next one's something that we don't see very often. Check this out. Often the market is faster than your mouse DPI.
Cool.
Set yourself one of these. Utilize the hotkey features and thank me later.
That's the
I like
Doomer
that.
Boomer 3000.
That's a new one.
I don't know if you guys saw
Yeah.
that. The Doomer Boomer 3000.
That's nice.
Big upgrade from the
Proprietary.
2000 model.
Yeah, it was a reverse button on the Doomer Boomer 3000.
Huh?
Yeah.
Got two more here
New
for
ones,
you.
yeah.
Okay.
From NoM Trades, locked out an hour before the market even opens, 1 day away from a green week. I
Oh.
want no part of today's chaos at all.
Hey.
Remember, not trading is a position you can take. So
Later, everybody.
good on you
Thank
for protecting your week.